How to get your plane ticket from Expedia. Hello guys, welcome to today's tutorial. In today's tutorial, you'll be taught how you can get your plane ticket from Expedia. If you don't know how to do this, please ensure you watch this video till the end. The first thing to do is to launch your Expedia app on your mobile phone and you wait for it to be launched. Then you'll be directed to a page where you see the icons, you see the options, and you see the types of flights and all. Then you'd move to lower part of the screen where we have icons like home, search, trips, inbox, and so on. You click on the trips icon, then you'll be directed to a page where you'll be asked to input your itinerary number. Then you click on it, then you wait for it to load. This itinerary number would have been sent to your Gmail account. Then you input your itinerary number. You input your itinerary number. After inputting your itinerary number, you get the option continue. You click on the option continue, and after that, you see the option print my plane ticket. You click on it, and that's it. That is it. Simple. Thank you for watching.